Hello guys, so this is Teacher Well. So this will be my first video of learning algebra in easier way. So ang first topic natin ngayon is adding and subtracting integers. So start tayo with integers. So pag sinabing integers, ito lang yung mga number na yon, mga negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, at saka 4. Okay, lagatin ko nga. So yung tatlong tuldok na yan, ibig sabihin ay wala siyang katapusan. Okay? Ngayon, tinatawag natin itong mga negative numbers. Mula kay negative 4, negative 2, so on and so forth. We call this the negative numbers or the negative integers. Tinatawag naman natin itong mga positive number. From 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. So, positive. At ang 0 dito is, ang sign niya is neither siya. Neither positive nor negative. So, wala siyang sign sort. Ngayon, when it comes to adding and subtracting integers, ang nagde-decide na talaga ng operation ay yung sign ng numbers. Magbigay ko ng counter-example para sa madaling maintindihan. Siguro, ang kailangan yung unang maintindihan dito is kung paano isulat yung question. So, magbigay ko ng isang example. Ayan. We read this as negative 4 plus 5. Okay? So, tandaan agad ang itsura niya. May dalawang number dito, yung 4 tsaka 5, tapos may sign siya, yung negative tsaka, ito, I'm gonna read this as positive. Okay? Even na ang basa sa kanya is plus, i-consider natin ito as the sign ng 5. Okay? So, let's do a recap. Anong sign ng 4 dito? So, we have negative 4. Ito, positive 5. Okay? Let's have another example. We have negative 7 plus 3, for example. So, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, kung consider natin itong symbol sa gitna as the sign ng number sa right side. So, we have negative 7 at positive 3. So, yun ang pagbabasehan natin para malaman kung ano ang sign ng number. Okay? Another example. Negative 8 minus 5. Yan. You read this as negative 8 minus 5. Okay? Pero, i-consider natin itong symbol sa gitna bilang sign ng number sa right side. So, in short, meron tayong negative 5 at meron tayong negative 8. Okay? Another example na naman. Yan. Though we read this as positive 2 plus 4, i-consider natin to as sign ng number 4 at ito naman ay sign ng number 2. So, we have here ay positive 2 plus 4. Okay? So, let's do a recap. Structure-wise, dapat dalawang number lang, dalawang sign. Okay? Sana mapansin nyo, ito ay pareho ang sign. Itong example sa right side. Okay? So, tinatawag kasi itong natin like sign. Okay? Ang kagandahan kasi ng like sign, kasi pag like sign na agad siya, automatic siyang kailangan i-add. Okay? At pangalawang rule, ika-copy nyo lang yung sign. Okay? Ngayon, i-perform natin. Pag like sign. So, pag like sign, i-add agad. So, we have 8 plus 5. That's 13. At kokopyahin natin yung sign. So, which is negative 13 ang sagot. Uy, bakit nag-add? Subtraction naman dito. So, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, ang nagdi-decide na talaga ng operation ay yung sign ng number. Since pareho silang negative or like sign, kailangan nyo siyang i-add. Another example, number 2. Ayan o, pareho silang positive. Isang positive 2, isang positive 4. Though you read that as positive 2 plus 4, kailangan nyo i-add yan. So, magiging 6 yan as we add 2 plus 4 at kokopyahin yung sign. Okay? Itong example sa left side, I hope ma-obvious naman na under yan ng different sign. Pag different sign, ang automatic ang operation, kailangan nyo siyang isubtract. At another rule, kailangan nyo lang copyhin ang sign kung ano man yung malaking number or big number. Okay? Example natin sa number 1. Okay? Ngayon, yung obviously ito ay different sign kasi we have positive 5 at negative 4. Kaya kailangan nyo yung isubtract. Though you read this as plus, kailangan nyo subtract yan kasi magkaibang sign. So, yung subtraction, usual na pag-subtract lang ng malaking number minus ng maliit. So, 5 minus 4, that's 1. Kokopyahin nyo yung sign ng malaking number. Pag sinabi kong malaking number, yung hindi kasama yung sign ha. So, in short, 4 versus 5, mas malaki si 5. So, kokopyahin nyo yung sign ng 5. Ang sign ng 5, positive. So, ang sagot sa number 1 is positive 1. Let's have another example. Number 2. We have negative 4 plus 3. Uy, plus siya. Pero kailangan natin yan isubtract kasi different sign siya. So, we have 7 minus 3, that's 4. Copy the sign of the bigger number. So, exclude dapat yung sign, hindi kasama yung sign. 7 versus 3, mas malaki sa 7. Kokopyahin nyo yung sign ng 7. So, the final answer will be negative 4. Ayun, ganun lang siya kadali. And by the way, case 1 lang to ng question. So, better mapanood nyo yung next video para mapag-aral pa yung other cases, okay? So, kailangan din natin to para masagutan yung next case ng question, okay? So, that's all for today and see you on the next video. So, bye!